I'm Dame Julia Cleverdon. I have the great privilege of chairing the National Lottery Community Fund.
Hello, I'm David Knott. I'm the Chief Executive here at the National Lottery Community Fund. Julia, tell us a little bit more about the fund, its ambition.
Well, the National Lottery Community Fund is an incredible national treasure, which has given out 50 billion or so over the last 8 years. And I think our part of it is concerned with the bit that seems most critical to me, which is what happens in communities across the length and breadth of the United Kingdom. And our opportunity is what can we do to respond, understand, and help communities shape their future together. It's immensely privileged to be able to understand what's going on from both a national perspective but a very local perspective.
I'd love to hear a little bit more about the role that board members play to help an organisation find that confidence and propel itself forward.
Well, I chaired the board for a year and I've enormously enjoyed it. And I arrived and said, what's the learning platform? And what is so amazing and such a responsibility is to listen to financial problem. There is nearly £1 billion. And therefore, how you engage the best brains and the best partnerships, how the board can bring both challenge and support. So I enjoy a great board with a lot of different perspectives. Innovation comes from diversity. So I want a mix of people's talent.
I consistently hear one of the things that people value the most about the fund is that local, relational way of working, that real insight that we have, lived experience about reflecting all of the corners of the UK. I so value that focus you said there on challenge and support. Sometimes saying, perhaps maybe we can move a little bit faster on something, perhaps saying, do you know what, there's a bit of a different perspective. Fundamentally, it's a team game, isn't it?
Absolutely is a team game, and it's a team game through the tough times, particularly. Different people will bring different strengths at different moments. So it is a team game with the board, which is my responsibility, the staff team, which is your responsibility. So we have a very constructive, honest, but clear perspective on the need to do this just as well as we can do it.
Julia, I couldn't agree more. And mostly also just have a lot of fun too. This is a privilege and a joy actually to be able to do the work that we do. I think what I take from that is the power of teams having different experiences, different perspectives, fundamentally sharing that same ambition and purpose. And I think we're at this real moment where we've got the ingredients together for something really magic in the years ahead. For candidates who might be interested, maybe what's one thing you would really like to see come through their application?
The real passion, energy and belief in why this matters. It's not easy. There are tough decisions to be taken. What matters is the authentic experience of why you think you would add real value to such an important mission.
We hope you found this video informative to hear a little bit more about our work and mission here at the National Lottery Community Fund. And I think from both of us, we really encourage you to apply to this wonderful opportunity.